Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door handle on a Jeep Wrangler. First, gather your essential tools: a Torx bit set, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure your Jeep is parked on a level surface with the doors unlocked. Knowing if you're replacing an exterior or interior handle will guide your approach. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Next, we'll remove the interior door panel. Begin by carefully prying off any trim pieces that conceal screws, often located near the armrest. Use your Torx bit to remove all visible screws. Then, with a trim removal tool, gently release the panel clips, working your way around the edges. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for windows or locks before completely removing the panel. Now, let's access and remove the old handle. Reach inside the door cavity to locate the mounting bolts or screws holding the handle mechanism. Carefully disconnect any linkage rods or cables attached to the handle. Once freed, remove the old handle assembly. Then, position your new handle, ensuring all linkages and mounting points align perfectly. This step is crucial for the handle's smooth operation. Finally, it's time for reassembly and testing. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the door panel, making sure they are secure. Carefully align the door panel clips and firmly press the panel back into position until it snaps securely. Reinstall all screws and trim pieces you removed earlier. Lastly, test the new door handle several times to confirm it operates smoothly and latches correctly. You've successfully replaced your Jeep Wrangler door handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.